Hi everyone, Matt here with ABI Attachments. If you've got a gravel driveway and the only piece of machinery you've got on your property is a lawnmower, I need you to hear this. You can take care of your own driveway. I'm sure you've probably been relying upon gravel renovation companies for years. It's probably scary to think about how much money you've spent on gravel. I get it, I've been there. That's why I want to introduce you to this ABI Gravel Grader. This is a made in USA, tube steel design, patented technology that can go behind your lawnmower and take the lawnmower off the grass, get it onto the gravel, and help you get some real work done. I could talk about this thing for hours, but I want to show you one feature that sets this thing aside and gives you some real teeth to do the work you need to do. Take a look at this lever system here. We have designed a way to use the transfer weight from your tow vehicle through the hitch, pass through the lever system into this coil spring technology. This gives you some controlled force down pressure, puts actual pressure on the box, leverages those 6-inch ripping teeth. That way you don't have to add extra cinder blocks, extra logs, extra anything. You've got all the weight you need between this and your tow vehicle to really dig in, get through those potholes, get through that washboard, and fix your driveway up nice. We know you've got a really big list of chores to do here at the end of the summer. It's gonna get colder sooner than we'd like to admit. We want to help you get work done. We want to help you cross those chores off the list. And if the driveway's on the list and all you've got is a lawnmower, this is something you need to take a look at. Take a look at the link above, watch some of the videos to see what it can do. Give us a call if you have any questions. Until next time, take care.